Let us wait for everyone to join before we proceed. Hmm. Walaikum assalam. I'm good. Thank you for asking. How are you all? Let more people join before we proceed. Mhm. So, GBP odd is falling. GBP USD is also falling. And I think it has given a breakout to the trend line, although it's a good level for it to go up. It can go up from here, actually. Because you see, this is a good setup. Good zone. Gold is consolidating. If you see, guys, nothing major as of now. Let's wait for more traders to join, so that we can explain what can happen today, what's happening, what events are happening in the market today. So I want everyone to join so that we explain everything in detail. Let's see what can happen. There is an important data, not that important, but the market might, give some good moves. There is unemployment claims today at 5:30 Dubai Standard Time. We're having around about 27 minutes left. So we are going to be discussing what it is. I'll tell you in at 5:15, right? After 10, 12 minutes, I'll explain what can happen today and what is this unemployment claims. Okay, so GBP USD are having some chances to go up from here, although it broke the trend line. But if you want to make some small returns, it can retrace. So like it can retrace at least till here. It can come. It can go like 100, 200 points above the current market price. So good for scalping, not bad. In 10 to 12 minutes, we're going to be explaining about today's data, what it is, unemployment claims. Dollar index is also going up. Mhm. It is at its resistance. It is at its resistance. It is at its resistance. Bitcoin trading above 96, almost 97. Almost 97. Oh, nice. No, we could have taken this entry. Anyhow, we're having a live account in front of you guys. You're going to be trading live in front of you. Few more minutes, and we're going to be explaining about unemployment claims, what it is, and what impacts it can give to the market. We can take a small entry from here, oh, 15, and buy. It looks good. We'll give it a stop loss as well of around till here. It should go from here and pay. Should go up. Okay, okay, okay. Few more moments, and we'll talk about today's data, what it is, and what impacts it can have to the market, and what we can do out of it. Trade is almost a profit. Okay, okay, profits. What it was. It's going up in profit. How many of you guys are holding buy positions? This is my daily question. Since gold is rallying, any one of you who have invested it like for long term or holding it till date? Okay, okay. Okay, TP hit. Great. So $30 profit before the data. Before the data. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. And it's still continuing to go up. Okay, guys. So let's try to understand what data do we have today and what it is. So you go to forexfactory.com, the best website to tell you what's going on or what events are happening at a certain day, right? So today, 15th of January, The way standard time, 5:30 p.m., we are having unemployment claims. So we're having unemployment claims. The previous report was 208,000. The forecast for today is 215,000. Right. So whatever the actual result is going to be, the market is obviously going to be reacting to it. So actual less than forecast is good for currency. So it means if actually is lesser than the forecast, then it's good for currency. And if this is the result, then there's high probabilities that dollar can make its strength. Okay. So now let's try to understand what unemployment claims is actually. Okay. So unemployment claims, it means basically number of people who applied for unemployment benefits for the very first time. You can assume like basically it's a report like how many people lost their jobs this week and ask the government for help. So this data mainly comes from US and is released weekly. Okay, released weekly, usually on the first Thursday after the week ends. Usually it's on Thursdays. Okay, so for you guys to understand that why unemployment claims report is important for you. It is important for you because it tells us how strong or weak the job market actually is. So this means that more people are losing. If this is the case, that more people are losing jobs, economy might be maybe slowing down, right? So if fewer people they're losing their jobs, this means that economy is actually strong. Okay, so the job market is very important for economic growth, inflation, and interest rate decisions, right? So the government has to take care of that accordingly. So how does unemployment claims affect the forex market? So if let's suppose if in unemployment claims comes lower than expected, okay, so this means that fewer people have lost their job, economy looks strong, the Federal Reserve may keep rates high. In such cases, US dollar becomes stronger, right? So if this is the report, then USD pairs, US dollar pairs usually go up, right? So in that case, Euro USD is going to go down, GBP USD is going to go down, and similarly all the USD pairs. Let's suppose for a while, if unemployment claims comes higher than the expected, what's going to happen then? This means that more people are losing their job. The economy looks actually weak. Fed may think about the rate cuts. What is going to happen then? The US dollar becomes weaker. Okay. So if USD pairs usually go down, in such kind of cases, in that cases, then your USD is going to go up and GBP USD is going to go up. And if the data is like comes as expected, like the forecast, what it was, the market is going to be a mix, right? So no major moves or is going to try to trick here. Okay. So that's how it is going to be. And unemployment claims show how many people lost job in short. Okay. This week, actually. And lower claims are good for the dollar. Higher claims are bad for the dollar. In short, that's it. Okay. So let us try to figure it out from the charts. Gold is almost there. Usually nowadays, traders they're waiting for the data to release. Traders looking for the data, waiting for the data to announce so that they trade. That's the reason that you guys see some small volume, like nearly no moves in the market as of now. That's the only reason. Let us do one thing. Let's delete this trend line, this support which we just marked, and let's try to figure out some few levels. I think for the 606, we can place an order 4605, not 5. Okay, I think 5 is also gonna do our job. Mm, okay. We have placed a buy order, buy limit, a pending order. So let's suppose if the market is making big spikes. So in this case, if the market comes down, our this limit is going to trigger and automatically open a buy position. I think it's a good level for buying. 4606 was a good level. I placed it at 4605.05, almost 4605. So let's see how it goes. A more discounted entry. We are not putting any stop loss or take profit right now, but we are going to close it manually. We're not going to be holding for too long. Risk management is the key. We might average it from a below level or something. We'll do accordingly. Okay. Okay. Mm. Gold is trying to go down on 5 time frames. It's trying to create a bearish structure. Okay. So we have a pending order at 4605, small volume. And this is how sideways the market is since a couple of days. Oh, almost stuck in the same zone. Let us mark the levels. Almost stuck in the same zone since a while. So let us see today if it can give a breakout either of the side, and let's just see how it goes. Okay, I think our order is gonna get triggered very soon. Let's see, it's very it goes by to our order, pending order. Let's see, will it trigger? Yes, I think it is gonna trigger it very soon. There we go. Okay, okay. Hold down. Few points away. Few points away. Not triggered. Not triggered. Triggered. Okay, there you go. It got triggered and is in profit. Let's see how much we're gonna hold it. Let us see. Let's see. Mm, okay. Let's try to put our take profit around here. Will it hit our take profit? Will it hit my take profit? Yes, it did. Alhamdulillah. Great. 64, $65 in. Amazing. Not bad. Decent amount. Are you guys also taking trades with me? Did you guys take the trade? Around 9 minutes left for the data to release. This is the support which it just touched and bounced back. Let's see how much it can go up. Okay, okay. We made a good entry, sniper entry, and we got good profits and we left. Right? We don't need to hold for a long time. We just want to scalp. Okay, guys, 7 minutes left for the data to announce. And then we have 6 minutes left. 6 minutes left for the data. Hmm. Well, is gonna have some good moves once the news is about, I believe. Let's see some of the pairs. Oil. Oil is trading at $59 per barrel. Although it's at a very good place to buy. A very good place. Let's see oil. Let's see oil. What's wrong? Come on. We can place some vines and what do you call? We can place some vines. It looks good actually. I'm gonna buy point for it. Okay, so I'm having half a lot of oil, US spot oil. Think it is having some good supports. It can try to go up from here. All right, so we are having half a lot. Let's see. Let's see. It looks decent. Let's see how much we can make out of it. All right, so we're having almost 3 minutes left for the data. 3 minutes left. So for those of you who just came today, first time or something, or whoever is watching since long time, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. So whenever we are live, you get to know. We're gonna be placing some entries, scalping entries, just in case if you want to discuss trade ideas or something, make sure you gotta subscribe so that you get a notification whenever you're not there or something and we are live. Okay. Oh wait. Euro. Nasdaq. Nothing major. USD GBP. Oh, GBP USD going down even before the data. Nice, nice, nice. Gold. Euro. Euro is also falling, not that much. But GBP USD is crashing. Okay, our oil trades are in profit. About. Okay, let's see why is it happening. What is it happening with pound? Uh, Although it's a very good zone to buy. Let us try to put some orders in the GBP USD as well. Let's go with 0.35. Let's see. Let's see. Let us give it a trade profit of $50. Let's see how much does oil give us. Gold. Okay, gold also going down. Noxious. I'm loving it. This is gold. We're having positions in oil, crude oil. We bought some oil and we bought some British pound, GBP USD. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay, GBP USD is going further down, I think. Yes, it is. With no issues. Okay, the data is announced. Let's see gold, euro, GBP, NASDAQ, USD JPY. USD JPY is going down. So, that's yours. Let's see what's the data. Expanding. We care about this one. Still pending. It's fine. Oil is almost there. USD is also going down. What is the report? What is the report? Come on, man. Release it. Below 4600. Oh, gold is going down. Gold is going down below 97. And we find some lines. And we find some lines. GBP going up. GBP USD. Oh dear. I think we should average GBP USD 0.50. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Oil is having some good moves, good resistance, support. Pound also going up. Down. Hmm. So the report is positive. Okay. Just put the chip on Forex above this. If we go, it's going to lock alone. Let us see where does it stop. We can plan our buying somewhere around here, this zone. It's a nice zone to buy it from somewhere around here. A discounted entry, I would say. Okay, pound is going up. Good. Okay, nice. Nice, not bad. Hmm. So we're having volume of 0.85 on GBP USD and half a lot of oil. Let's see where do we close it. There we go. Oil gold is going down as expected. As expected. Mhm. We can put a pending order. Suppose it right here. And let's see if it triggers and how it is. So we're negative on British pound, but positive on oil. Hmm. Let's give it a take profit of 200 points. 200 points. I think gold is going to go towards pending orders, our pending order and trigger it. And it's a very good discounted entry for there. It's a good, a discounted entry to buy gold. Mm-hmm. Currently, gold is going down because US dollar is making its strength. The data is positive. GBP USD is trying to give some retracement. I think we should put some more buying over here since it looks a really, really good level. And we're going to close everything all together, averaging. Mhm. Oil looks good, mashallah. Oil looks good. Mhm. GBP continuously falling. Okay, so gold is preparing to go to this zone. So let's see. What does British pound say? Hey, so about somewhere around here. Hmm, 91. So there's a $10 gap still for a discounted entry from 80 to 80-ish, good zone to buy. There will be volume coming down in the market in a while. How many of you have taken GBP's trade, GBP USD, or oil trade? How many of you guys have taken it? How many of you? There we go. Go going up. Even pound is following. Finally some pump. But I believe gold should fall further, like $5, $10 at least. To if you want to buy it at a discounted entry, that's a more better entry according to me. That's what my personally I think. Mhm. Okay, gold is having some good pump. Same in Euro USD, same in GBP USD. Let's see how much does the rally go. Okay, Jimmy. Mm, Is it coming down again? Yes, it is. British pound. A good structure, at least should come this at this zone and try to bounce back once again before it falls back down. There is this probability as well. Okay. So our British pound is still negative. Oh, now our oil positions are also at break even. Mhm. How did it go down? Come on, guys. Mhm. I would love if it goes falls like at around 82-ish, 80-ish something, so we can plan our buys over there. Like this zone was actually a good buying levels, to be honest. Where's the volume? Okay. I want gold to go down actually, like below 45.80, so that I can buy from below level. What do you guys say? It's always better to buy it at a discounted entry. Oil needs a few pushes. It's consolidating in the same zone. I want this kind of flow, right? So I would take profits, got hit at that level. Pound not bad. Gold coming down like a few dollars left. $8 before we buy it. I'm afraid that if it would happen during this session or after we end this session. So let's see. We're having few minutes left before we end, but I think that are some good levels to buy if you want. Like a more better than what you're seeing right now. Okay, Nasdaq is having some good pushes. USD GPY and gold. Come on, gold. Mhm. Although we can buy it from here as well, I think we're gonna put a small entry, 0.05. Let's see how it does it go. Okay, I think today's session is gonna be a lengthy one. Lengthy one. Pound. Okay, pound. Just right. I go. Okay, gold is falling. Finally. Great. Once we put some buy orders, then only it has to fall. But it's okay. We are having a pending order at around 4578.6. So that's a bit more discounted entry as compared to the current one. Plus the volume is also bigger, 10 times bigger than this one. So it's fine. Pretty much fine. And we want it to fall so that we can buy it at a discounted entry. So I think pound is also waiting for gold to go down and it's going to stop falling and then it's going to go up both together. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now let's reduce it to here. Okay. This is, I think, a not bad give profit. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. British pound is going to follow gold. Gold is successfully uh, going bullish. Pound should also follow. Pound doesn't look that bad, right? So, but not having that good strength on the same time. Even your oil still. So we're having a pending orders below 10, $11 below the current market price. $19 below. So if the market goes down also, our comparatively bigger volume is going to get opened below the market, at the price which we put the limit. Gold is pumping. Okay. Will it hit the take profit? Hmm. Let's see, very low. Hmm. Come on. Okay, take profit hit. Now pound. Pound is still going down. Come on, follow gold. Always a good buying zone for pound, but we're having enough volume already. Patience is the key. Patience is the key. You gotta be patient. Like trading is like 5% buying, rest of the 5% selling, and 90% waiting, holding. Execution is like 5-10%. That's it. Respond won't. So we're having almost $91 booked for the day. Decent, not bad. Almost 1% of the account and 2% almost floating loss, which is bearable according to the equity. It is bearable. It makes sense. It is justified. Although I think it can give some retracement, some correction. Let's see how does it happen. And the same with oil also. Mm, okay. Continuously falling. Let's see dollar index. Dollar index. Oh, dollar index is flying. Nice. Pretty much cool. Okay. Let's see GBP GPY. Oh, even GBP GPY looks good. It looks good for buying also. Let's try to have half a lot of British pound versus Japanese yen. Okay. Right. Let's try up a lot. Why? Gold, I think we can scalp and try to sell over here. Let's try to do it with 120. Get a trade profit. Hmm. Okay, very close. So to take profit. Yeah, close in profit, handsome. It's not bad. British pound. This is our target for GBP This oil again, same place. USD, gold. I'm having a gut feeling that gold is gonna trigger my pending order. It's gonna hit my buy limit. That's my feeling. For those of you who are watching, I want you to ask here: are you guys subscribed? For those who are watching, are you guys subscribed to the channel? Falling, very nice. Oh wow, that's nice, amazing. Mm-hmm. Nice. Gold. Mm-hmm. GBP USD, GBP GPY. That's nice. GBP USD needs a push, a solid push. It needs a solid move. GBP GPY is mashallah great, not that bad. Okay. We're gonna be holding it. Mhm. GPY again coming down after having a good pump. Oil is also having a big pump. Let's see what happens after 6 p.m. It's candle closing. Yes, here it is. Candle closed. Yes, this was the move I was expecting. This was the move I was expecting. Let's see GBP JPY. Okay, not bad. USD also fine. It's fine. Oh, oil is amazing. Nice. Nice. Great. Great. One more. 468, 450, 440, 8. Let's close it manually. Or let's wait for the TV. خلاص, let's close. Okay. Booked successfully. $200 booked. Not bad. Now let's wait for pounds. British pounds versus US dollar and Japanese yen. Yes. I think Japanese yen is going to win the race, but let's see. Mhm. Gold is very nearby to our buying orders. We're going to give it a take profit as well. $45, 81 on 6, $3 from the buy price. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Our time is up, but we are still trading. Let's see if it gold comes to our levels. Let's see, let's see, let's see. We want it to fall till 78. GBP, new profit. USD continuously going down, but let's see. Keep on responding. Great. Good, good, good. Mhm. Okay. Think we can place some binds. Comes again at this zone, small buys, and let's see how it goes. GBP and GBP USD. So this is the zone which it is unable to break, and we could have put it like, but yeah, this whole is a zone, right? So it's a turning point. Either it's gonna bounce and go back up, or either it's gonna break it, and the next, you know, place where it's gonna land is somewhere around here. So that's why it's better to take a discounted entry with the minimum stop loss levels, right? Although it's completely a buying zone, but still. Mm-hmm. Let's try to have a small buy, a small buy, somewhere around here. Okay. Nasdaq is looking so good. Hmm. No, we want such kind of liquidity in the market. Okay, pound I think is recovering. Let's try to put a small buy from here as well and target here. Pound recovering. And, okay, take profit hit. Yes. GBP and GBP USD. Come on, guys, we want to go home. Let's close GBP JPY. Okay, so now we're having only GBP USD. We got close with like little profit. So of GBP JPY, although I think it can go up. Uh, yeah, it's confusing. But anyhow, very good. So now all eyes on GBP USD, and just in case if gold is at good level, we're gonna buy it also. But if it goes down, I'm praying that if it goes down, it's gonna be much more better a discounted entry, like around here and here. Like over here, I'm having 0.05, and over here, half a lot. So 10 times more than this. All right. So let's see how it goes. Hmm. Mhm. USD JPY coming down. Can be sold from here, Nasdaq, a minor resistance. Let's see. Mhm. Here, pound. Yes, pound is coming up. Very nice. Gold. No, Nasdaq. Mm, okay. Hmm. pound is recovering. That's nice. Is anyone holding GBP USD? If yes, let me know in the chat box. Gold is quick, yeah. We're gonna close everything all together, I think. You're not gonna be holding for too long. Hmm. Okay, only GBP USD is left. So let's see. Let's see. Let's wait for a few minutes more. And our USD is also going down. Good. We could have taken an entry over there as well, but it's fine. Okay, let's see what does dollar index say. Dollar index giving some retracement. Hmm. Okay. Bitcoin trading above 97,000. German 30. Not bad. Ethereum. Okay. Dow Jones. Okay, what else? What else? USDGPY going down. Okay. Oh, gold. Okay, gold is now going down. Last topic. So we made how much? $239 per day. Scalping with some small volume. You guys see the volume, not that big, not that low. So these are the decent returns, some decent returns. And we're having some open positions with a negative 55 net. So let us wait and close everything all together. Okay, come on. Let's wait for a few more minutes and okay. See where does it come. Market became really slow, guys. Really slow. GBP is even slower right now. It's making us bored. Mhm. Good liquidity over here. It's zone. Yeah. This complete area is a zone. So at any moment, literally. can turn it around. Can take a small cell of gold. So here goes. All right, guys. Then what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna be giving you an update over the community. I think I'm gonna be holding it for a while, and I think we have to end the session. Although it looks good, you guys can note down the situation right now, and any update we're gonna be updating it in the community, right? So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys make some good money. Uh, See you guys tomorrow. So until next time.